Kathakali is a major form of classical Indian dance. It is a story played genre of art, but one distinguished by the elaborate, colorful makeup, costume, and face mask that the traditional male actor dancers wear. Kathakali is a Hindu performance art in the Malayalam speaking southwest region of Kerala, India.
Culture of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a multi-regional, multicultural as well as multilingual state like other Indian states. Some of the most commonly spoken languages are Hindi and the various Pahari languages. Himachali caps are also famous art work of the people. Local music and dance reflects the cultural identity of the state. Thank you. By Yogita V. Bhandari.
Kerala culture. The culture and heritage of Kerala is one that everyone must experience. The culture of Kerala is a combination of both Indian and Dravidian culture. Nowadays, this culture is being influenced by the neighboring states as well. The main USP of Kerala is its performing arts like Kathakali, Mohiniyattam and martial arts of Kalaripayattu. As for the heritage of Kerala, it can be said that this heritage holds a special and important place in India history. Providing a national integrity is the Kerala heritage. This culture and heritage of Kerala is reflected in its various art forms, martial arts, dresses, the people and cuisine. When in Kerala, do not miss cultural and performance. The visitors can enjoy the following art performance in Kerala. Kathakali, a 300-year-old dance that combines opera, ballet, masque and pantomime. Mohiniyattam, the dress of a beautiful enchantress. Kalaripayattu, the martial art from the involves the synchronizing the mind and body. Each of the following festivals in Kerala is celebrated with all its pomp and grandeur. The main festivals of Kerala include Onam, Vishu, Eid, Trishur Puram and many more. In some of these festivals like Puram, the main aspect is the procession where the elephant are decorated and taken to the temple grounds. Ayurveda in Kerala can be dated back to as long as 2000 years. It is an ancient treatment which not only the body but the mind is also totally regimented. Earlier, this was done only by the natives, but now it has become famous, especially among the other native Indians and foreigners. The culture of Kerala can be traced back to as long 5,000 years. The main language spoken here is Malayalam and the people here are called Malayalis. Their traditional dresses include sari for women and mundulungi for men. The main cuisine here is sadhya, vegetable meal served in a plantain leaf. The other delicacies include various vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Puttu and kadala, pounded rice with black gram curry, kallappam, pancakes with a hint of toddy, idiyappam, rice noodles, curry mean, pearl spot, fried chemin, prawns and nandu, crab, and are a few of the main mouth-watering dishes served in Kerala. Visit the state of Kerala at least once in your lifetime to experience all this firsthand. It is a guarantee that you will leave this place with heart full of memories.
Important of art in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh state in India are carpet, leatherwork, shawl, metalware, woodwork and painting. Pashmina shawl is product which is highly in demand not only in Himachal but all over country. Colorful Himachal caps are also famous artwork of people weaving, carving, painting, considered to be the part of life of Himachalis. Himachal is well known as for designing shawl, especially in Kullu.